Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on Motorola Moto G9 Play. To do this, we'll need to open a SIM slot on the left side of our device, and here you can find one SIM slot right there, and I think you can place another SIM card right here where the SD card slot is, but that way you'll sacrifice a place for SD card. Now let's try inserting this SIM and see if it works. Yep, it seems that it detected that specific card, which means that this device does have the dual SIM slot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.